What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I was asked by one of my followers, will I give out the dimensions and how I created the fab box? You know what? Anyone who want the dimensions, who want to know how to create their own personal fab box, I give you that for free. Like I say, that's something that I really wasn't trying to sell. Just something that that actually helped me that I use around the house. So maybe on your downtime you can create you one that helped you out on your personal business or just your hobby or whatever you got going. So for those who want to know, I'm gonna come up with a video soon on how to make it, as far as like how to get your drawings up. And it's pretty simple. Like, it all goes off to what size game box you buy, like what size job box you buy, and then you start fabricating it from there. But you have to have a steel one, so make sure, if you're going to do this, don't get an aluminum one, because you won't be able to really pull this off. You can do everything with screw on aluminum if you go that way. That is possible, but I like the steel box. So this is actually a design for the steel box, and I can break it down to you. But today I've been doing some fabrication with it, and like I say, it's a big plus. I can kill a few birds in one stone, and it actually helped me make money. So any tool that you can create that makes you money is an asset. So I just turned a regular box into a multi-taskful tool. Hold on, check me out. So as you know, it got the slide under here when I put the bottles. When I put the bottle on there, so when I do use gas, the wheels, the lay down table, and the table actually goes to the size of whatever your box is. So the front of your box, it'll actually go to the dimensions of the front of your box. So whatever, how square it is or whatever, tall, wide, that's pretty much what you're gonna go by when you're building your table. And you want to make sure that you cut out for your holes. Sometimes your holes on the side, so you don't have to cut out. So they got the boxes where the locks is on the side. You don't have to make your little keyhole. But that is good. Put your bar under here. You can actually use a bar, or they got the ones you can go from the side and weld. You can buy those brackets. But with what I had, I was actually wanting to utilize what I had, so I used the bar. It works fine. It's not in the way. So that's what I do with it. This here, if I'm doing something on the inside, I can screw that off, run my wires or whatever through it. Got my brackets. Like I said, I got pretty much the stuff I need to set up in here, and everything can actually go inside the box and can seal pretty good. And like I say, but this is what I've been doing today. I finished welding. This was the last one. I'm letting it cool down. I got that one finished, and I'm actually getting ready to go get me some lunch. And I'm gonna come back and start cleaning it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. And see, I made me a bracket here that I use to sit it up, because that's how I weld it, sitting down. And it's easier. I knock it out fast. And I think as you go, it's very good to build your little jigs, because that's a jig to help post it up when you get ready to weld it. I got some jigs over here that's for the setup when I'm doing it. See, they got the stuff jig, rail post, like my cuts and stuff, my holes, different degrees and angles. You see, all of these are different. They different pitches. And so that way, when I'm working on everything and getting everything lined up, I can actually kill a couple birds with one stone. So that's why I did it like that. But like I say, man, this is the fab box. I'm able to kill multi birds with one stone. Like I say, that's why, if you notice it, when I put the hashtag fab box, I got 3 X's. And the main reason that I got 3 X's on there is because the box does multiple things. Like, it's a multi-processing box, because you can hold your welder. You got the table. You can put your cart on there. It got wheels. So it got multiple things that you can do to it. So, honestly, I think when you're building your tools, that you should make it for your own use, for your own comfort. And as you get to messing with different things on it, you'll come up with different ideas and like, you know what, this right here would be better. You know what, I should do this, and it gets better over time. So I just believe you got to start somewhere. So if you already got a box, you already got a great start. If you don't have a box, then you got to get a box first. But if you got the box, half the battle's already won. You just got to sit down and kind of take some time and draw it out like you want to. Like I say, that's what I'm doing today. I'm about to get ready to go give me some lunch and finish, get my hog on. Black Phoenix.